Okay, so right now I'm going to teach you a little bit about the content lesson outline that you've been assigned for homework tonight. What you're going to receive in class is a 2-page lesson outline. At the very top, you're going to take out a highlighter, like a bright yellow, bright orange, bright pink highlighter. I want you to highlight, read pages 706 to 709 and complete this lesson outline. And then highlight due, and then the date you're going to write in there is Tuesday, September 12th. And it says glue this on pages, and the pages that you're going to glue this on are pages 6 and 7 in your Science Spiral notebook. Okay, once you have finished doing that, go ahead, put the 2 pages back to back because the dotted lines are at the same place. Cut one time straight up the dashed line, and then you'll have your 2 pages ready to glue onto pages 6 and 7. Now, when it is time to actually begin working on this, the best way to do it is to understand that the titles in the book match the titles in the lesson outline. So, for example, abiotic factors is real big right here, and look at, there it is right there. If you look at A, it says, what is an ecosystem? And we can notice in the book, there it is. What is an ecosystem? So that means numbers 1, 2, and 3, those answers will all come from the paragraphs right after that heading title. Now, the answers will not always be hand spoon fed to you. Sometimes you will have to dig around. Sometimes you'll have to think a little bit. Sometimes you'll have to read it 2 or 3 times. That's part of reading science content literature. So, it's very important that as you become good at reading science material, you understand that you probably won't understand it all the first time you read it. You're probably going to have to read it 2 or 3 times to really be able to understand and begin to digest it. All right, if we turn the page, you'll notice this very large heading says, what are the non-living parts of an ecosystem? And if you'll notice over here, it says on your lesson outline, what are the non-living parts of an ecosystem? That means that everything underneath here will come from everything underneath this heading. However, I would like to point out that these titles, the sun, temperature, climate, water, are not broken up underneath this heading. So they actually sometimes mix and match the notes underneath the heading so that you have to work a little harder to find those answers. All right, so that's it for lesson 1 outline. If there's any time left in class, you're going to go ahead and begin reading and get started on this assignment. This kind of gives you just the overview of what the lesson outlines will look like. This is intended to be an independent activity that helps you become much better at reading science content and being able to understand it on your own. All right, good luck. Bye.